sitting here on a hillside, pondering about life, getting bitten by mosquitoes, writing and recording poetry in the 45 minutes that I've allocated to myself before the kids wake up. This is a vlog of all vlogs. Striving to find peace in an unstable time. Nature is the greatest force. It is part of the divine. The half smile tells us all. That we must get up when we fall. That's what we did when we were small. And it did not matter what was before us, we kept going on. As an adult 50 years later, I am further from the equator, in the north right now. Before I was in the south. All over this globe, it does not matter. The wisdom is when you do not open your mouth.